Welcome back, guys, to Sherry's Little Kitchen, and what I'll be making today is pork ribs. The pork ribs is already cut. I have my season that I'll be using. So I'm just going to combine everything inside here. Salt, just a bit. Then I'm just gonna combine everything, rub everything in. Then I'm just going to have it sit for a while, marinate. Now that the skillet is hot, I'm just going to add all these in to the fry. Now that my pork ribs are brown on both sides, as you can see, I'm just going to add my seasoning. Then I'm going to add my ketchup. Seasoning, I have some in here. Going to add some water. Then I'm just going to cover so it can boil down, simmer down. Now this is the finished product. This is my pork ribs. Now it's done. See, get a close-up look. It's all complete. Now this is the finished menu of today. So I have pork ribs, rice, and black-eyed peas and lettuce. That's the menu for the day. See, get a close-up look. Well guys, that's my menu for today. Again, pork ribs and rice and black-eyed peas and lettuce. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can send you out the next video. And as always, thank you all for watching.